What's the meaning of achcha? Achcha. 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 The Hindi word achcha can be translated to good or okay in English. It can be used as an adjective, adverb, or interjection. As an adjective, it means good or pleasant. As an adverb, it means well or correctly. As an interjection, it can be used to express agreement, understanding, surprise, or happiness. Here are some examples of how achcha can be used in a sentence. Achcha khana hai? Quote, is the food good? Main achcha pod raha hoon. I am studying well. Achcha. Main abhiata hoon. Okay, I'll be right there. Achcha. Quote, surprise or happiness. Achcha is a versatile word that can be used in a variety of ways. It is a common word in Hindi and is used by people of all ages.